بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope it wasn't too much that I left you with from lesson number 3, but it's important that you recognize the different the different forms of all the letters. Alright? So okay, moving on. We're still on the same document, main study book part 1, and we're on lesson number 4. The page number is 10. Okay? Right. This is in this we will be studying, inshallah, the sound. The sound is a very short, quick sound, okay? Okay? If you look at lesson number 4, you see 3 signs underneath. The one that's green, that's a sound. The one that's blue, that's a I sound. And the one that's purple, that's a U sound. So today, in this lesson, we're going to be studying the sound. One thing I want to make clear is please do not lengthen this sound. So for example, if I say ba, ta, tha, I don't want you to be saying ba, ta, tha. You're adding length to it, which is incorrect, okay? So this is, the sign itself is called in Arabic fatha, fatha. And in Urdu, like some people have learned Urdu, it's called zabar. It doesn't really matter, to be quite honest with you, because later on we're going to let these go. But I'd like to teach it in Arabic. So it's called fatha, fatha, okay? For all the people who have learned in different ways, zabar, that's not an issue, okay? Okay, so if on alif I put a fatha, it's going to sound a. And the ba is going to sound ba. So I'm going to go through the whole alphabet, okay? Each letter is going to have a fatha on it. So it's going to be a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha. It's a word of warning here, okay? Remember the 7 full mouth letters? The 7 full mouth letters, we won't say ha. We'll say kha. We have to keep the full mouth. In all states, remember when we studied full mouth letters, we have to keep the full mouth. So again, it's a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha. Next one, da, dha, ra. Right, okay, just a note on this. The letter ra, even though it's not full mouth, when it has a sound and a u sound, it is included in the full mouth. But when it has an e sound, it's not full mouth, therefore it's not one of the 7 full mouth letters, okay? So if you can remember, with the fatha, the ra is a full mouth, okay? Ra, za, sa, sha, sa, da, ta, dha, a, gha, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, a. Remember, the hamza is going to act like an alif, okay? Hamza is going to act like an alif. You won't say ha, you will actually say a. And the last one, ya. Just a little thing about the hamza and the alif. In the Arabic language, when you see the alif on its own, then it's known as an alif. When it's not active, there's no a, e, u sound on it. That's known as an alif. But if you see the alif with the a, e, or u sound, technically it's known as a hamza, okay? So not to confuse you, but when a hamza comes, you treat it like an alif, okay? So it's a rather than a ha, alright? Okay, we're moving on to the exercise. The exercise, inshallah, majority if not all of these words are from the Quran. So inshallah, I'll go through them nice and easy, alright? Okay, first one, a, ma, ra, amara, ba, la, gha, balagha, tha, ma, ra, thamara, ja, ma, a, jama'a, حسد حسد ذكر ذكر رفع رفع زعم زعم سرق سرق صدق صدق ضرب ضرب ظلم ظلم عدل عدل قمر قمر كسب كسب وجد وجد. So alhamdulillah, in lesson 4, just to go over it again, we've learnt the sound. It is short and quick, okay? Sound. Please remember that with the sound, when it comes to the full mouth letters and the ra, we pronounce them full mouth. So you have the 7 full mouth letters, and addition, we've got the ra, okay? So jazakumullahu khairan for your time and your patience. And inshallah I'll see you in lesson 5. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.